So I'm out here with Miguel trying to get out of his death-defying driveway. Oh, luckily came out good today. Oh, but yeah, guys, what's up? Good morning, guys. A little video in the morning. You know, I'm here with my best friend, Miguel. I gotta see you too as well. Get inspired. Like, look at those lights, But yeah, we're waiting for his wheels today. His wheels should be coming in. I'm driving. Cop sees me, you know, getting fucking points. But who cares? But yeah, we're on our way back to the crib. Start taking out a part of his bumper. He got his fangs. He just got them painted. His grill. And we're gonna put them on most likely today. And if the wheels come on time before I go to work, we'll have his rims on. So yeah, guys. Oh, fucking bumps. Today we're gonna be working on his car. Funny story, I got my car because of him. I moved to the block and I had a CL9, and then he moved in after I sold it, and then I saw that one, I fell in love. And we have the same color, literally. We are like twins.
Trying to take off bumper. Got to the garage. She's right there, she's outside. Look at her. Look at her. But yeah, guys. Yo, where's the grill?
Upstairs.
And the fangs? No, the fangs, you have them.
No, the fangs are upstairs.
You put everything upstairs?
Taking it off now. Look at that. We're gonna leave it like this. Fuck it. GDM as fuck. No jacks, no nothing. Car's too low, you know, you scrape your hands. Look at that. The passion. This will make your car look nice. I found myself an H. I'm gonna see if I could do something with this. You just had it right now. Yeah. You have it in your hand. No, you just had it right. What the hell? Grill. You see we got the grill. I gotta go buy zip ties right now. Because not enough clips and clips broke. Let's see how it's gonna look now. Bloody hand. Well, I don't know. I'm gonna go get zip ties. I'll come back to see where he's done. We'll be back in a few. I need a new grill. I was thinking about just leaving it though. I don't know. I need to put my lips on and my side skirts. Might bring that down today to see.
The wheels has just came in.
How they look. Yo, how happy are you? Look at his face. Look at it. Look at it. Oh shit! Look at that. Look at the wheels down there. Yo, you bought it? Where you bought them at? Charlie's like, yo, I've been out the game for a while. Wait until you get your car again. Wait until you start fixing up your car. Huh?
What's easier for you?
I'm recording right now. You want to move the car, Charlie? Huh? You want to move the car? No. Joe, he's so happy. Well, you already put the grill on the car. We're about to see if we put the fangs on. Now we're just gonna put these wheels on. Yeah, right away. Oh, damn. Huh? It's clean. It's gonna be clean.
get more exposure.
Yeah, we're gonna open one.
Wait, please that way.
Yo, it's Christmas today, bro.
Look at this guy. This guy looking like a little kid. Look at him. He's happy. Ábrelo, ábrelo, ábrelo.
Birthday to you. What's your wish?
My wish is not to curve them or bend them within the first week.
You were supposed to tell us. It's gonna happen now.
What was the center caps? Ooh. It should be somewhere around there. You should go ask them before anything if they didn't give you a little box or anything.
Well, hurry up and open the other ones then.
ESRs. Which ESRs are these, bro?
SR04.
SR04s.
It's not in this one.
You should ask him. Ah, my foot.
Oh, sorry.
I'm going to sue you now. I'm gonna take your wheels.
Put them in the bowl and shake it. I'll be in there.
No. Came out nice, bro. It has a nice stretch on them too. Fitment Industry. That's what he bought them at. Finished product right here. Yo, Miguel, you happy, bro? He's happy. Look at that. The fangs, and that's it. We're good to go. We're gonna go import export on Sunday. Oh, and we need the red badge. Yeah, those wheels came out nice. Look at those two bad bitches. Two bad bitches right there. Came out nice. Nice, nice, nice. The grill on and everything. We're missing the fans, those covers that are chrome, and the red H, and that's it. We're gonna go for a little ride and see if it rubs or anything. Oh man, this nigga's seat. Oh man. We did this right before 2 o'clock too. That's the most funniest thing ever.
Now I gotta go back to being careful how I.
Yeah, watch out. Look at that. Little scraper right there. Oh, speed racer over here.
Not bumpy.
Not bumpy. Feels good. Beep beep. Oh. This is right now. It sounds that sticky sound is because of the
stickers.
The sticker still on the tires.
No TPS sensor.
It's clean. Look at that. Your Fitment Industry literally had everything on deck with these wheels. It took how long to? When did you had a week waiting for them?
Yeah.
It wasn't that bad. A week wait. That was the video for today. Me and Miguel are ready. We're going home. I gotta get ready for work because I work right now at 2. It's already 1:20. We did this all in what, 4 hours?
3 hours.
In 3 hours we did it all. My boy Charlie came through. You know, Jesus helped us out because we had to go get our power tool. But other than that, the car rides fine. It's great. Like literally with the wheels, the Fitment looks crazy. And yep, that's a wrap for today.